Hello, everyone. My name is Laura Cacavale, and I am delighted to introduce myself as a representative of Arcipelago APS. Our organization is dedicated to promoting social and cultural initiatives for the well-being of the community. To learn more about our projects and stay updated with our activities, you can visit our social media profiles. Instagram and Facebook, Asociación Arcipelago APS. LinkedIn, Arcipelago APS. The use of virtual environments for collaboration and sharing practices, particularly participating in professional development networks. The ability to search, select, and evaluate digital resources for teaching. The capability to use technology within teaching and the use of digital tools for interaction between teacher and student. The use of digital tools for formative and summative assessment. The use of technology to facilitate differentiation, personalization, and individualization of the learning process and to enhance students' potential. Promote the development of digital skills in students. Rationale for the skills. Acquiring skills in using digital technologies for collaboration with colleagues improves the organizational structure and promotes professional growth through training activities. The ability to identify and implement digital resources in teaching allows for the creation and manipulation of digital content specifically designed for innovative teaching. The capability to use technologies within teaching enables the design of new educational and pedagogical pathways, enhances interaction with students, and experiments with new forms of guidance. It makes the class autonomous through digital means, allowing collaborative learning. Knowing how to use digital tools to experiment with new evaluation criteria is important because it allows the collection and analysis of learning data to offer effective and targeted support to learners. It is also important for collecting and analyzing data to evaluate the effectiveness of teaching interventions. Using technology to facilitate differentiation, personalization, and individualization of the learning process means being able to use digital resources to design inclusive and accessible educational pathways, develop personalized strategies according to individual difficulties, and promote active student participation in practical activities. Teaching the class to collect and analyze information is a skill that promotes collaboration through digital means, stimulates creativity and content production, educates about the risks of digital technologies, and provides the necessary autonomy to solve technical problems. Flipped classroom. Based on the active and participatory construction of knowledge by students, it is a valid response to the ongoing change as a new educational approach that values digital resources and social networks. The participant is actively involved in the learning process, aware of the objectives to be achieved, and not a passive recipient of information transmitted from above. Moreover, the learner is encouraged to collaborate with others in developing knowledge, thus improving the quality of educational interactions. Creating interactive content, another effective way to attract students' attention. Interactivity increases not only their participation, but also helps them digest even the most difficult concepts. The use of computers and other devices allows students to be less passive in the learning phase, while the teacher acts as a director in this process. E-learning community, a way to organize the class to achieve interactive and collaborative learning. It allows for the development of the ability to learn, maintaining a balance between specific competencies and the interchangeability of roles. Digital learning platforms. These tools can be used more or less autonomously, allowing learners to work independently and receive timely feedback on their work. They help to understand if the study method is leading in the right direction, if the comprehension of topics is sufficient, and if the ability to reprocess is adequate. Apps like Mentimeter, Jamboard, and Padlet. These, which I have used, are efficient in distance learning for an inductive phase where all students participate. An interactive whiteboard for collaboration between students and teachers. Kahoot is also an interesting app because it allows the creation of effective games in a self-assessment phase. Webinars. Useful in online learning because they can connect people from all over the world, breaking down physical barriers and creating simple and immediate connections. Their advantage is interactivity, the ability to discuss, send and receive information in real time, record sessions for later review, interact with questions in chat, and create virtual whiteboards for explaining concepts and taking notes.